pretty excited.
What?
My wife and I are just leaving Starbucks, and we're headed out to the desert to visit a property I bought something like, I don't know, 18 plus years ago. And it has a shed on it. And I don't know the dimensions, maybe it's 20 by 20, something like that. And I've been out there several times, and there's a lock on the shed, padlock, and I've never had bolt cutters to get in there and just, see if there's anything in there. I doubt that there is, but anyway, it's a beautiful Saturday, so we decided we'd take a drive out there, and I got some bolt cutters with me, and if it takes more than that, brute strength, I've got my wife, and we're gonna open that thing up and see what's inside. So we just pulled over at a rest stop. We're probably I don't know, a half a mile north of Bakersfield. I don't even know where we're at really exactly, but it smells like I don't know, manure or cattle ranching, whatever. It's kind of one and the same out here. But you see this tree behind me, it's it looks like winter, but one thing I noticed, we noticed on the way down, was that the fruit trees, many of them are like in full blossom, which I think is maybe just a little bit early. So this means that next week I'll have to hit the blossom trail. And last year we missed it. I mean, it came early last year, and we went out thinking, I think in March, thinking that we'd hit it, and no, everything was basically done. So even though a lot of the trees still look like this, lots and lots of the fruit trees are in full blossom right now. Okay, we're on Highway 58 now, headed east towards Tehachapi and California City. I pulled over so that I could show you these trains. I'm sure that there's some videos on YouTube about the trains in Tehachapi and going around these mountains, all the tunnels that they have. Very cool. One could come out here and just watch them all day. Okay, now we're on California City Boulevard, and for those that don't know, California City geographically is the largest city in California. And this boulevard, I don't know how many miles it stretches, 10, 13 miles or more. The largest main street of any city in California. Okay, now we've turned off of California City north onto Neuralia, which is a pretty major street. And Cantil is like 9 miles north of California City Boulevard. Population of Cantil, whatever, it depends on the day you're out there, between say 5 and 50. I read on the internet one place that said 29 and another place that said 99. Anyway, we're coming up on the city of Cantil now. Now, there's nothing out here. There's no grocery stores or anything like that. There's just some, there are some homes, a lot of dilapidated sheds. There's a whole story behind this place, which I won't have time to get into right now. Anyway, I'm trying to find the street here, and I think right now I'm on Cinnabar, and I need to get on to Chapanite, and Chapanite is the next street up. So once I get on Chapanite and go down Chapanite, I'll have my bearings, and I'll be able to locate the property. Okay, we're back on. So let's see here. If I can find this place. Well, there's more junk cars out here than the last time. We caught those cars back there. pretty junky. And the property that I own is catty corner from the well, and I'm pretty sure, well, I'll have to get out. So, pretty interesting. I came out here to open up this shed that, oh, for 15 years or so, it was all intact, and see what was inside of it. And today I come out and find that the shed is been entirely demolished. So whether that's the work of you know, natural causes out here, wind and whatnot, or human malice, I kind of am guessing the latter. I don't think there was anything in this place, but that's it. It's been totally destroyed. Now, well, that obviously didn't go as planned, but it is what it is. If you've hung in there until this point, well, thanks a lot, and hopefully the next adventure will be more adventurous. That's all for now.